We need to cut this glass sheet into 3 sections, then into strips, and finally into prisms. First, we need to find a base plate. There's no suitable size, so we cut one on the spot. The second step is to glue the glass onto the base plate. What we use is optical adhesive. No need for much, just apply dots around the edges. The third step is to place the glass and base plate together on the equipment loading platform. Then adjust the position using the hand wheel to ensure it won't collide with surroundings. Step 4. Glue the base plate onto the equipment loading platform. Step 5. After setting the program, the equipment starts automatic cutting. Cut this large glass sheet into 3 small pieces. Then, rotate the loading platform 90 degrees to cut the small pieces into strips. Finally, input the angle in the equipment program to cut the strips into prisms.